Hi, hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. I am standing here in front of you. You can see behind me, a foggy is sounded to me. Today I am gonna share with you how to speak in English without English grammar. Let's get started. Just you think you can reading writing in English, but you cannot speak in English. What is the reason behind this? Let's clarify this. Okay, you know Bangla language, but you don't know how to use Bangla grammar. You can speak Bangla language without Bangla grammar. That is the reason. That is the point. If you want to speak in English, you have to practice English every day. If you practice English every day, you will be able to speak in English. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you tomorrow.